All vehicle controls use a combination of symbols to indicate what each button, switch, alert, or function does. It can be hard to keep track of them all. So in this quick guide, you'll see the most common symbols in your vehicle and learn what each one means. Some of the controls and symbols mentioned in this guide are for features which aren't available on all vehicles. Many symbols are visible from your driving position. Some are applied to buttons on or around the steering wheel. Here's what each of the buttons represents. This button is used to turn cruise control on. This button disengages cruise control. This button adjusts the following distance that forward collision alert may activate to far, medium, or near. For vehicles equipped with Super Cruise driver assistance technology, this button activates the feature. This is the voice recognition button. You can use it to communicate with your assistant or press it to answer incoming calls. This one is for ending calls, and on some vehicles it's also used to answer incoming calls or to make calls. This button opens the audio source list. This button changes the cluster configuration. Use it to change between different available views on the Driver Information Center. This is the Accept button. Use it to accept settings or alerts on the Driver Information Center, or DIC. This paddle behind the steering wheel of your EV toggles Regen on demand. And this one turns your heated steering wheel on or off. Other controls can be accessed in the center of the cabin, around the center display, or even on the panels to the left or right side of the steering wheel. This button toggles Lane Keep Assist. There are a few variations, but any symbol that shows a vehicle between two lane markings is going to signify the Lane Keep Assist button. This is the button used to turn the traction control system on or off. This button synchronizes the cabin temperature when using separate climate zones. When you press Sync, the temperatures will be linked to the driver's temperature setting. This button deactivates Auto Stop Start, a feature used to save fuel and emissions during stops. This button activates Automatic Parking Assist, and this button activates the HD Surround Vision camera array. Your vehicle has plenty of indicators, symbols, and buttons, and now you can navigate these controls and alerts with ease.